open front calf barns. I want to kind of go over the ventilation and how to use an open front calf barn. This right here, we've got 3 pens. We got 3 pens in each section. There's 7 sections for like 21 pens altogether. They got plastic dividers between the calves. So we would have built this about 23 years ago. And our herd numbers have gone up, and there's more. We've got more. A lot of cows are calving right now, so we've got too many. We're pushing our occupancy up by, when they get a little bit bigger, we actually pull the dividers out, and then we'll have a group pen. This is in Pennsylvania. We have plenty of sunlight comes in the front. Sometimes the weather's bad and you do get wet, but we have automatic curtains on the back, so the curtains will go down when it gets too windy and rainy from the backside or gets too cold. The curtains on the back shut. But otherwise, this is Mother Nature right in here, and the calves do very well. Some people try putting like 2 of these pointed together because it makes it easier for the people, but actually open front calf barns do really well. At least they do for us here in Pennsylvania. I'll show you the gates, how to clean out. So you just open this. It's a little hard to slide back in if the plastic panels fall over, but you basically swing this completely open, pull the plastic panels out, and use a skid loader and scoop all the shavings out. These fronts, and they each have a little door to go in. So you can buy these at Sturdy Built Manufacturing in Denver, PA. Makes these gates. They're really handy. The rest of the construction we did ourselves. This is a concrete floor, a 2-foot concrete wall, and then the rest is wood structure. We put plywood. You should have some kind of vapor barrier underneath the steel roofing because it drips. And some people said they were getting sick calves from it dripping. So instead of doing insulation, we went and put, at the time it was really inexpensive, flakeboard. We put flakeboard underneath the roof on the back part so it doesn't drip down on the calves. So there, overall, that's how you do it. We have a utility room in the front with a water heater, and where we keep our little milk replacer. Most of the calves are fed, mainly fed whole milk, but we add milk replacer in when there's not enough of dump milk. So this is what we do. It makes it easy for clean out and for feeding them. We have a hose. We can scrape everything up. It sure beats Hutch's.